So today what we're going to be doing is making some multi-grain bread, which is one of my favorites. We're going to be using a little bit of old world bread flour, which is something that I got from a local bread milling company here in California. We're also going to be using a little bit of their 9-grain cereal. So first things first, if you're using the same virtuoso zojirushi bread machine, home bakery, make sure you align those paddles. I'm going to go ahead and weigh out my flour. 540 grams exactly. As you may know, precision is very important for baking. 540. ね、ちょうどいい。まずはね、水を入れないと。So for the water, what we're going to be putting in is about 360 grams. はい、ちゃん、こっちに見てよ。All right, 362, that's okay. If it's a little bit wet, no worries. All right, so there's our flour. Next, we can put in the dough enhancer. It makes a big difference. There's different brands that I've tried. I've currently about halfway, a little bit less than halfway, this Nutrimil brand. Highly recommend it if you haven't tried it yet. I think it does make a difference. So for this, it says to use 1 tablespoon for 4 cups of flour. And this is about 4 cups of flour. So we're just going to put in about a teaspoon. So we're going to use 3 of these. Yeah. 美味しそうだね、マリー。1, 2, 3. Then about a teaspoon and a half of salt, which is what we have here. 1 and a half. She's getting tired. Okay, and then dry milk powder, we need about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. 大丈夫だよ。3, 1, 2, 3. あとはsugar. 砂糖. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So there's 1 and a half, another 1 and a half. All right, and then last is going to be 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of yeast. Oh, 大丈夫だよ、マリ。もうすぐ終わるからね。So 2 tablespoons. All right. Oh, okay, 2 teaspoons of yeast and then we're done. Okay, see you in a bit. So here we're just going to drop in our multigrain cereal and let it continue. Bread's done. Make sure to take it out and put it on a wire rack. It smells amazing. Ne. どうかな? All right, so usually these come out right away with a little bit of the twist down here. There it goes. Smells amazing. Got a nice crust. 美味しそうよね、マリちゃん。ね。またね。じゃあね。バイバイ。マリちゃん。バイバイ。